Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian and this is the #1 channel for Amazon FBA seller. So today I sold this bad boy and I want to show you how to ship if you sell something and you don't want Amazon to ship it and you self-ship it. I want to show you how to do it, and I think this is perfect example. So let's get into it. This is the product that you need to be shipped. You don't want to really ship it like that, just to stick the label and ship it to the customer, because first of all it's look unprofessional, and second, the customer won't like it and probably they will ship it back to you or they'll give you a bad review. So I bought this. It's nothing special. This paper just to wrap it up. If you have a box, you can do it with the box, but since this is a particular shape I don't have any box to fit it in, so just I wrap it up with this paper, and you see how it's coming off. Bruh. Okay, I think it looks good. It's nothing super special, but it's okay. And yeah, nobody will know what is inside during the transit. And also, if you like these tools, I have another video which I link it up here on the tools you need for Amazon. So now I will jump into the computer and I show you there how to take the customer details and to ship it, and actually to put it in the carrier website. So I'll jump in. Okay, so I'm inside here on my Amazon Seller Central account, and this is the order. Okay, and you will see this, and this is the order. If you have multiple, you'll see multiple of this. So I click here on say what is this number and order details, and they will show me here in this square. Probably I have to blur it, all the customer details. So what I like to do, I use Hermes to ship my products, and I will sign in and I will hit send. Okay, now first of all I copy the postcode, and here you say the parcel weight. So my one is in between 2 and 5 kg, and you hit get a quote, and this is the quote. I get £6 for the shipping. Okay, what's your parcel contain? Here you have to put some detail about the parcel, and you will see here grass cut there. Okay, and the parcel is 190, the value of the parcel. Okay, continuing. Here you can choose insurance if you want it, but usually most of the time Hermes, I never got any issue. So all the time the package arrive in time, and probably I can choose for insurance if I want it. And do you see they give you this option, insurance and signing for, and you have this free coverage here, £20. So if you get lost to do something, you get only £20. And if you here want the signature of the customer, this I usually do because I want signature. Otherwise, some cheeky customer, they can say, oh, we didn't receive it. So if you have the proof that they signed for it,
they not gonna be able to say to Amazon, "Oh, I didn't receive it." So this is a very good thing to defend yourself from this kind of scammy customer. Uh, I don't say everybody's like that, but I find story that people get scammed this way. Okay, here is the part where you have to input the customer details. So here the name of the customer and copy from here. Just copy and paste. Okay, the email. Amazon don't give us email. It doesn't matter. And the phone number, very important, because if something happened and the courier can't find the address, and he'll call the customer. And here find address, and they'll be automatically finding the address. Let's say number 12. And also all the time make sure double check the address is correct with the Amazon, with what customer gives to Amazon. Okay, and any delivery instruction, well, customer didn't give us any delivery instruction, so nothing. We hit continue. Okay, and here you can choose Hermes have this option, the courier come to your door to collect it, but I drop it off myself. And here they will give you some address where the nearest collection point from where you live is it. So I already know where is it, and pay now the entire amount. Usually I use PayPal because I use PayPal for all my shipping payments, so I kind of know how what I paid for all my shipment. I put it all together, and I see what I pay for the shipment. Otherwise, if I use multiple cards or whatever, it will be more a nightmare to find out what I pay for shipment. So this is one way, but you can do whatever you want. It's nothing wrong. And here, order is complete, whatever. Print the label. Normally, this one I print the label myself, but Hermes they will give you in store the label. They'll give you a QR code. You scan it in the store, and they'll automatically give you the label. But I have the label printer myself, and I will do it myself. So this is the label. Only you need only this part to stick it on the your package. So now I will show you how it's coming out.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this label, stick it to the item, and I'll bring it to the collection shops. Also, very important, when you are there and you drop off the box, don't forget to mark it on the Amazon app as a dispatch and upload the shipping number onto Amazon app, because otherwise will be penalize you Amazon, because they'll consider not as dispatched, so you have only 24 hours to dispatch your item. And yeah, pretty much it. Also, if you want to start delivery with my Hermes, I will leave a link in the description down below. You can open an account, and also this way you can help my channel grow. And yeah, it's pretty much it. Also, I want to thank you for staying all the way up to here, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.